Okay, good evening, guys. Good evening, guys. We did very well on UK Fortnite. If you guys were following, we managed to get, because I said to you guys the banker was 12 and 31, which was 12 and 31 on UK, but it came in form of 1 2 31, which was 2 plus bonus. You can go back to my previous video and check exactly how it worked. So, guys, this is what it is now. I'm going to give you the banker for tea time is 10. Banker for tea is 10. We cannot run away from it. Take 10, 1 to 49, you kill. Okay, now we're doing Powerball. It's called SA Powerball 550. This is what I'm going to do. Let me just put the flag because you guys won't understand which Powerball is it. But if there's a flag, you'll know that it's a RSA Powerball. It pays so much. Don't undermine this game. It pays so much. And these guys, if you hit jackpot, it's jackpot. There's no flicking of the numbers. If it's jackpot, it's jackpot. It's not like UK. Whereby you win, then you've got stories after that. Okay, so the first quote is 168. Follow exactly what I do. So what you do, I spin 1918. You add up everything, you get a 24 there. And you separate, you get an 8. So the banker for Powerball is 16 or 19. Remember, guys, you spin, you split your numbers. As I always say to you guys, split and spin. To split is to, I don't know, I don't want to talk in Zulu, but to split is to separate something into two, you know. Because if I talk in Zulu, some people won't understand, but it's to separate. Like, let me say it's 16, you put 1 on the other side, 6 on the other side. You call it splitting. If the code is 168, it means when you split it is 168. So please split and spin your numbers. For example, I've already spinned this code at the bottom there. If you say 19 plus 8 is 27, which means there's a high chance of 27 to drop. If you subtract, you're going to get an 11. Am I right? Yes, it's an 11. So this is how you break the codes with 3 digits. Please, after that, what you do, you're going to add 1 plus 6 is 7 plus 8, that is a 15. So there's a high chance of a 15 to drop on Powerball. This is Powerball Plus and Powerball. Okay, then I'm moving to the second code, which is 182. So 182, what you do, if you spin it around, it will give you 128. If you split, it's 182. 182. Because you need to spin and split for you to win this kind of game. Okay. After that, you say 18 plus 2 is 20. 18 minus 2 is 16. Why I'm saying 16 is a banker? Because it is appeared twice. At the bottom, if you say 12 plus 8 is a 20. So 16, 20 is a good number in Powerball. If you say 8 minus 12 is a 4. If you say 1 plus 28 is a 29. 1 minus 28 is a 27. So a 3 number that can pop in Powerball is 16, 20, 27. Powerball and Powerball Plus. This number can make you rich. Just put money on that number, but I'm not limiting you guys. At the end of the day, you have to also take what you see. Like take it right down and then do the pairing. But what I do recommend is you guys, because you don't know how to pair the numbers, use the pairing apps. There are free pairing apps on the Play Store. You can just go there and say pairing app. You'll see there's another people app. It does help a lot. It pays the numbers from 1 to 100, which you can pay, make 1,000,000, 550, UK for 9. Okay, when you're done doing that, you have to add 1 plus 8 plus 2, that's 18, which is 18. So 18 can come maybe in the bonus section. Always remember in Powerball, if a number is lower than 20, it is highly recommended for you to put it as a Powerball. Powerball is the bonus. When in Powerball, we call it a Powerball, not the bonus ball. So when you're playing in the apps, sometimes it does not specify to show you that it's a bonus, but it says it's Powerball. Okay, so let's do the last code. The last code is 350. 350 means what? 30 and 50, or 3 and 50, because Powerball has got 50 numbers. So there's a high chance of them hitting the 35, 50, something like that, or 30. So let me give you a set of numbers that you can play. 16, 8, 18, 28, 24, which is 42, and then 20, 35, 50, 27. Let me see the other number that I've got. 15, 16. Okay, there's a 15 again there down. Then there is 11, there's an 11, there's a 35. So this is your jackpot for tonight, guys. You know, we need someone to hit jackpot in Powerball. We need someone to hit jackpot. So guys, as you know, those who want to join my group, the number is always there. those who want to purchase the books. I do highly recommend you guys to buy the books for yourself, so you can always learn. 1260741. This is what it is. There's nothing difficult about gambling. Just as long as you follow the procedures and know what you do, you're gonna be fine. Thank you very much, guys. We're done.